Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. So here I'm with my another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the best chatting app of 2021. As a result of new updates of WhatsApp, WhatsApp is no longer a secure app and everyone's data is not protected. So Telegram is a messaging app with a focus on speed and security. Telegram will take your privacy seriously and will never give third parties access to your data. Telegram is the fastest messaging app on the market, connecting people via unique distributed network of data centers around the globe. You can access your messages from all your devices at once, start typing on your phone and finish the messages from your tablet or laptop. You can never lose your data again in the Telegram. In Telegram, you can find your friend's account by entering their username or phone number in the search tab. The best feature of Telegram is that you can delete the entire chat from the other side, and you can also export the chat history. In Telegram, you can send media and files without any limits on their type and size. Your entire chat history will require no disk space on your device and will be securely stored in the Telegram cloud as long as you need it. The best thing about Telegram is that you can send up to 1 GB of file on any other side. Telegram made it their mission to provide the best security combined with ease of use. Everything on Telegram, including chats, groups, media, etc., is encrypted. In Telegram, you can create group chats for up to 2 million members, share large videos, documents of any type, and even set up bots of specific tasks. It is a perfect tool for hosting online communities and coordinating teamwork. So if you want to create any friend group or any business group on Telegram, just go to the menu bar and click on new group. And this way you can create any group by giving it any name you want. Telegram is built to deliver your messages in the minimum bytes possible. Telegram is the most reliable messaging system ever made. It works even on the weakest mobile connection. And as well as if you want to create your own Telegram channel, then click on new channel and save it by giving it a name of your choice. Telegram has powerful photo and video editing tools and an open sticker or GIF platform to cater all your expressive needs. While providing an unprecedented array of features, Telegram will taking great care to keep the interface clean. With its minimalist design, Telegram is lean and easy to use. Telegram is free and Telegram will not going to sell ads or introduce any subscription fees. Telegram offers secret chats. Secret chats messages can be programmed to self-destruct automatically from both participating devices. Telegram keep expanding the boundaries of what you can do with the messaging app. Don't wait years for elder messengers to catch up with the Telegram. Join the revolution today. So if you will get any useful information from this video, then please like this video and share with your friends, and as well as subscribe our YouTube channel and must hit the bell icon for the latest update.